endoscope review. So I'm just going to show you this real fast here because this is probably one of the best endoscopes you can get for. But you can see this little 180. So if you need to, you can hit this and it'll actually flip it upside down. That comes in handy so much. Over here too, you can see there's a picture and a video part. So if you actually want to take a picture of something, like right here, you can click it, you'll see it clicks there and takes a picture, because it also does come with a memory card down here. You can see, so if you need that, you can go through that, but also too, it's in the system here. So I can actually go value, has a long cord, has a through and look at stuff. And then same thing, you can actually hold this and you can see it switches the camera and it will record, and then you can go back and watch the record of the pictures, things like that. So yeah, if you need an endoscope, it's not going to break the bank. This thing's really good, and as you can see, the picture quality is really nice too, and it just helps a ton having it be able to take pictures and things like that. There's a light on the end. You can actually adjust this brightness here, so if you're getting in dark places, I use this a lot on cars, and like you see there, I use this on the 65 Mustang. You can look inside of the engine. You can use it for things like dryer vents. I mean, anything you would need this scope for. But here's a really cool part about this. Here, it's hard to do with two hands.